Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I've got cute little braids in my hair today and a little bit of hair sticking up. Anyway, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or the day of your choice. And we're going to take a look at the much anticipated Pat McGrath Mothership palette. And this is the most affordable big palette that Pat McGrath has ever done. And this packaging is just stunning. It tells you the colors on the back, and then you open it up and there's little ribbons that keep it open for you, and this is what we're working with. Look at this. It is beautiful. It's 18 shades. I'm going to swatch them and then do a look. Pull my sleeve all the way up today, and we are ready to get going. So I'm just going to go across the front row, and this is the first 4, and that's beautiful shimmer, which we expect nothing less from Pat McGrath than a beautiful shimmer. The last 2 on the front row and the first 2 of the second row. Look at that. They're just duochromes, beautiful mattes, fantastic shimmers. I love that green. You guys know I'm a freak for some green. Look at that. It's just spectacular. Then we just have 6 more to swatch, and then we'll get into a look. And it's hard to figure out what kind of look I want to do. That's not a great swatch of that one. There we go. 2 more. 2 more colors, and the swatching will be done. So look at that. It is amazing that this is only $78. Her 10-pan palettes are like $125, and her 6-pan palettes are like $65. And these people were thinking that the pans in this were going to be more like the minis pans, and as you can see, there's quite a bit of difference between the mini and these pans. This is a nice medium size between her 10 pans and her little mini, so that's pretty spectacular. And now for the look. The look of love is in your eyes. Who doesn't love Burt Bacharach? My bangs are a little crazy, but they need trimming. But my hairdresser has the COVID, so we are sending health wishes to her so she gets healthy and that she's safe and she doesn't have to suffer too much. So good vibes for my hairdresser. You guys know how fantastic she is with hair. She's even better with people. So I think I'm going to start this look with this color here, this kind of dust. I'm not gonna look on the back to see the color. I just dipped into this lightly. Because I want to be kind of subtle. It's a little darker on that side. Well, I like to try to even it up. But you guys know that. Unless you're new to my channel. And then now you know I like to try to have it same on both sides, which is difficult because there are 2 different shapes and sizes of eye areas. But that is just a beautiful matte. I think I'm going to take this Sigma blending brush and go into this shimmer right here. It's like a light lavender. There's a little kick up because it's not hard pressed. That is going on beautifully. I'm just laying groundwork for the look. And it doesn't look that much different, but we will get things pumping in just a second. So the next color I'm going to dip into, so pretty already, is this purple. Ooh, look at that duochrome. So pretty. There's a little kick up, but not bad. And you can see that that purple shimmer is just amazing. This is already looking fantastic. Let's see. I really want to do something bold. I think I'm going to go for the green. I'm going to go for the green on my lid. I'm going to use my finger. Oh, this looks great. Use my other finger. That looks really cool. I'm going to get a blending brush. And I'm just going to go back into that dusty rose color that we started with. I just put a little bit on. I'm just going to brush it up into my brow and fade it out real nice. Really softly. What's up, Wolfie? Wolfie's in the house. It looks much better when I need to put a little bit more of that duochrome over here. There we go. Much better, much better. And I think this is the look that I want. Let's get some liner and mascara. Let's go with a liner that I know better. Oh my goodness. Here we go, the Stila. There's a new liner in my liner collection. I'm not quite ready. Ooh, I just had an inspiration to do just in the center a little of this color here. And it just even brightens up that center a little more. Super cool. I guess I could have not put eyeliner on. It would have been fine. But I really think the eyeliner helps with the mascara. Thinking about getting the Pat McGrath eyeliner. Super cute. We are totally going to use the Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. This is mascara. It's fantastic. I mean, one dip and it gives me lots of length. Lots of length. Even on my stubby left eye. I'm just so excited about this palette. It just seems, I mean, yes, it's more accessible price-wise, and it gives you so many more colors than other palettes, but I feel more comfortable. Like, I don't feel as reserved to use this palette because it was only $78 instead of like $125, where I find myself like not wanting to use it because it's so beautiful and so expensive. And for my lip look, this is going to be number 15 from the Maybelline Super Matte Lover. Number 15 from Superstay Matte Ink. Oh, and that looks super cute with it. And this is my look, and my first look with the Pat McGrath Mothership Mega palette. And I totally love it. I'm very happy with this look. I think it's so beautiful and so simple. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you real soon.